Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Katanat pulit jongga jela kalatung ya ka kenhun special investigation team bagan penlong ya ka jing tokit halor ka jing kawang petrol bomb hapo ka office jongga Meghalaya Public Service Commission kabalaja ha ka singi baar shipho tarik unaitung. Ya kani ka kenhun tokit on kli da Superintendent of Police City uba S Renja kum investigating officer. Kumban Shupan Mau, haga step singi baar ka office trekam jongga kong WAM booth, kabalong ka secretary jongga MPSC, kala syak kawang do petrol bomb hagi runar, bat hagani ka jingja shipun ba ki kot kisla badon kam, ki computer, bat ki wei ki tiar, kila julor bat inkong kait na ka jingkem ding. Kakong WAM booth kala mudoi da ka jahar halor kani ka jingja, bat penpau ba uchogidar jongga office ula yo ya arngut ki brio bomla ban itu ki bamare na ki mau kendon jongga mala banengkong haba ulej ban yai lenti syaka kamera jongka bat lapan ban ya ka jingmi tedam napo ki khalki.
So far the procedure now we are looking into everything, even the employees and everyone who are working there from every angle to see if there's any involvement from inside the department or simply from people from outside, maybe some disgruntled candidates of certain exams or something like that. So we're looking at from all angles. So basically now we're taking statements of all the people who we feel should be taken. Yeah. So process is still going on right now. Well, right now we have not picked up anybody because we're still doing a basic assessment first. So we will see. No, there was no chatting incident, a report of any chatting incident because we have spoken to the secretary, the chairman also. They never received any threats or anything of that sort. The only thing is that earlier, about 2 months back, there was a case where that that fake result of a certain result came, and then out there also the secretary had lodged an FIR, and even that is also under investigation. So we have come to a few points where we probable suspects are there, but again at one point of time the trail went cold, but then now it's come up again, so that is also there. We have separate IOs for that. You see, because the chowkidar of the building supposedly opens the building, all the rooms, he opens the locks by around 7:30, quarter to 8. So that has been the daily practice of the chowkidar out there. So I believe that these miscreants have watched this activity every day, or somebody from inside must have passed information that this is the daily activity of the chowkidar. So that's why.
It was a pre-planned.
Very much pre-planned. Otherwise nobody will do, and if it's not pre-planned, nobody will know where the secretary sits also. We will investigate everything. The relationship of person A and B and C with everyone. Because since this is a detailed inquiry, we have constituted a special investigating team, which is where the IO is a gazetted officer of the gazetted rank. So, and this team is being headed by the SP City, myself, and the IO is another gazetted officer, police. So we have a team who's investigating this case. Documents we're still cross-checking with the MPSC people to ascertain the exact documents. Up till now, I will not be able to be in a position to give you. But yes, a computer is damaged, not the CPU, but because of the heat, the display unit of the computer is damaged. And then we saw the carpeting, the chairs, the furniture, that is all damaged. Let's hope the CCTV footage that we got from one of the locations, private locations out there, let's hope that it will be of some help to us. The CCTV captured only the back of these two people running. So, but then if we are lucky enough, if we have some converters and analytical softwares, maybe we can somehow. But a person running away from you is very difficult to turn. Yeah, we are examining at some eyewitnesses. So we hope very soon we can communicate with those eyewitnesses who are there. And with their help, if they can remember the faces of these people, maybe we can try and do something.